Record. Excuse me. Okay, so let me explain how Bitcoin mining works in the very simplest way. This, by the way, came from ChatGPT. So, how does Bitcoin mining works? First, transactions are broadcast. Users send Bitcoin to each other. So this happens within the Bitcoin blockchain. Okay, there are a lot of blockchains. There are a lot of networks. I believe those people who are familiar with decentralized wallets, centralized wallets. There are a lot of networks out there. You have Tron, you have Polygon, you have Ethereum, Binance, and Bitcoin blockchain. All right. So the very first Bitcoin or the very first cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. So a lot of people don't know how Bitcoin is mined, but they know what Bitcoin is. Okay, so ChatGPT gave us 6 bullet points to understand how Bitcoin is mined. First step is users send their Bitcoin to each other. This is done through the blockchain. Okay, and then miners, us, we are called miners. So way back in 2009, miners built a block. So these are 10 blocks to be exact, 10 blocks. All right. Unconfirmed transactions are collected in a mempool. So here we have similar pools. In this business, there are 10 pools. You have pool 0 up to pool 9. So in Bitcoin mining, we have 10 pools. Okay, those pools corresponds to 10 computers or supercomputers. Okay? Now, the fastest block or the fastest pool or the fastest computer who solves the algorithm will get the Bitcoin. Okay? So during the early stages of Bitcoin, 50 Bitcoins are mined every 10 minutes. Can you imagine? Every 10 minutes, 50 Bitcoins. Now, because there are already four halving or Bitcoin halvings, every 10 minutes, only 3.125 are mined. But the value of Bitcoin is at an astounding $118,000. Can you imagine? Okay. Now, how does the blockchain identify the winning miner? Okay. That is called proof of work. Okay. Don't try to overanalyze. Just read the terms as it is. Okay. Proof of work. What don't ask yourself, what is proof of work? Don't ask your uplines, what is proof of work? It is what it is. That is the term, proof of work. So that is how the blockchain identifies the winning block. Out of 10 blocks, only one will win. Okay, the first one or the first block to solve the algorithm will get the Bitcoin. Okay, hence the miner gets rewarded. Okay, and for the last how many years? So 2009 up to 2025, that's roughly around 16 years. Bitcoin gained so much popularity, so much value, the price went up to an all-time high of 122,000. Now, guys, we have a chance to repeat history here in New BTC. But the good thing about this is we are mining two coins instead of one. So we are mining FNBTC, which is the fuel to mine new BTC. And we are mining new BTC, but it is staked for 100 months or up until 2033. Okay? I hope you guys understand how Bitcoin mining works. It's as simple as there are 10 computers, 10 supercomputers. Miners miners mine Bitcoin, and then only one computer will get the Bitcoin. Okay? So in our platform, as you can see, there are fixed pool and split pool. Later on, we will explain what is the meaning of split pool and fixed pool. All right? Now let's go to what Bitcoin or what new Bitcoin is. New Bitcoin mining is a smart, decentralized crypto earning system that offers passive income via staking and a unique pool structure. For those who are familiar already with new Bitcoin, you can already notice that there are 10 pools similar to the mining blocks in Bitcoin. So in Bitcoin, there are 10 supercomputers. Here, in new Bitcoin, there are 10 pools. Okay? Bitcoin employs traditional mining. Here in new Bitcoin, we employ cloud mining. This is a new form of mining that's adopted by this platform. Now, to answer the question, let me go ahead and answer questions in your mind. Who is the CEO? Who is the owner? There are no CEOs, there are no owners here, only developers. Similar with Bitcoin. We don't know really who the owner of Bitcoin is, but people are mining it. People are adding value to it. So you see, guys, we are the first movers or the prime movers of this project. We're the first one. We are writing history right now. So we are still at the beta phase, as you can notice the website or your referral links, beta.newbitcoin.pro. Okay. Now, how does new Bitcoin works? Basically, what our grand upline mentioned, Deepak, we are mining new BTC and fuel new BTC or FNBTC and new BTC. Okay. Previously, I joined this platform around July 9, 2025. We were earning around 3.28% every 4 hours. Actually, I joined during the time that the mining session lasts for about 10 minutes. So you can imagine after 10 minutes, you set the alarm of your phone every 10 minutes. You go back to your phone, you go back to your laptop, and then you mine again. So what are the pros and what are the cons? The pros are you earn more, but the cons is you spend more transaction fees or gas fees or BNB. So the developer decided based on the suggestion and recommendation of the community to adjust from 10 minutes to make it 4 hours, which is already attractive for everybody because a lot of us don't have time to mine 10 minutes a day. Okay. So during that time, during the probably around first half of July, we were earning 3.28% every 4 hours. Can you imagine that? 3.28% amounts to about 18 or 19% per day. Now, if you do compounding, it will reach to up to 25 to 30% per day. So that is notwithstanding the amount of referral income that you get. That alone constitutes no referrals. Now, what if you introduce friends, you introduce your family? The referral commission is unbelievable. It's incredible. It's 0.4% for every level. Now, here, we only maximize or utilize 5 levels of referrals. And each level of referral has 0.20 or provides us with 0.24% commission, equally divided among all five. Okay. Now, if you imagine you multiply 0.24% to 6 times a day, that's 1.44%. And did I not mention that it's taken from the capital, not from the profit? So for those who don't understand sa Tagalog, the referral commission, taken po yan sa kapital ng downline mo. Hindi po sa kinita ng downline mo. Kung ang capital ng downline mo is $1,000, you get 0.24% of $1,000 every 4 hours. Okay, so that's how powerful it is. So for those people who have been with us for the past month, I think you already experienced the highs and the lows. Right now, we are already at point 0.7 every 4 hours. So don't worry because the referral commission will compensate for it. Okay? Now, this presentation is a bit wordy. So let me just go ahead and show you a video of how um, or what the platform looks like. Let me show you first what the platform looks like. Hold on. Okay. By the way, you can use any decentralized wallets here. I'm using BitGet. I'm using a lot of decentralized wallets actually. I'm using BitGet. I'm using SafePal. I'm also using MetaMask, but I find BitGet the best decentralized wallet out there for me because it's fast. It approves fast. The only thing that's lacking in BitGet is you don't get to see the value of FNBTC as compared to SafePal. So a lot of people resort to SafePal. Doesn't matter as long as it's a decentralized wallet. You can use any wallet that you want, any wallet that you're comfortable with. Okay, so this is the platform. So how the platform looks like. So you see here, here are some tabs: mine, history, referral, staking, claim wallet, swap, and docs. Now here is my wallet. This is my decentralized wallet. Whatever FNBTC is here, it will be reflected in the platform. So how do you do that? First is you have to connect your wallet. So let me simulate a platform, a landing page that has no connected wallet. So for example, you enter the homepage of new Bitcoin mining and then you connect your wallet. So in a laptop, there's a different interface versus a phone. So in the phone, you can download the app, the decentralized wallet. Here in a laptop setting, you have to download an extension. So you can see over here, I have several extensions. I have extension for MetaMask, I have extension for SafeFile, and I have extension for BitGet. Just like what I mentioned, I love using BitGet. So what you do is you first connect your wallet, choose BitGet, okay? And please remember, we are connected to the BNB, Binance Smart Chain. Okay, please do not forget to change the network from Ethereum to BNB chain. Okay, I cannot emphasize this anymore because it's very important. Why? A lot of for example, your referral links. When you choose the wrong network, your referral links will not work. I repeat, when you choose a different network, your referral links will not work. Okay? So please choose BNB chain always. Always. Be mindful of this network. So you choose BNB chain and then you connect. Okay, and then you will be connected to the platform of new Bitcoin. Okay? Like what I mentioned, for those people who are miners already, um, this is where we always look at this area over here. Okay? Because right now, as Deepak was explaining earlier, we have already 4,000 slots, meaning we have a maximum of 4,000 miners that are allowed to mine in the platform. But according to Dex Screener, let me show you Dex Screener. Okay, according to Dex Screener, this is a decentralized coin tracker. You can see here FNBTC. According to Dex Screener, there are already, let's see, where do you see the holders? Okay, there are already 5,277 holders. Oops, sorry. Okay, can you see? 5,277 holders of FNBTC. Okay? So, ganyan na po kadami ang tao merong FNBTC. But the platform only allows 4,000 miners. So if you will notice, some days when there are convergence of the Western and the Eastern Hemisphere, okay, the slots reduced to zero or nauubos. The mining slots are uh, completely occupied. Okay? There are times that when the Western Hemisphere is asleep and the Eastern Hemisphere is asleep, you can see that there are blocks that are left. But nowadays, it's seldom, uh, it's always empty. Okay, it's always occupied. All the blocks are always occupied. Way back July 9, when we started, we are only around 250 miners. So you can imagine, right now we already have 4,000. Okay, but it's not too late because we're still in the beta phase. We are yet to experience the final version of the platform. So stay with us. There's a lot in store for for this platform. Okay, so where was I? So here in new BTC, when as compared to Bitcoin, right now today, 2025, only 3.25 Bitcoins are distributed every 10 minutes. Okay. Here in this platform, only 1,200 new BTC and 1,200 FNBTCs are distributed among 4,000 miners. Hence the reason why the profits or the refunds or the earnings, whatever you want to call it, are decreasing. Okay, last week we are experiencing 1.98%. I'm sorry, 1.28 to 1.98% every 4 hours. But right now, according to our good friend Joseph Tran, it's already reduced to 0.7%. Is it small? Is it big? Depends on how you define small and big. For me, it's still big because 0.7% times 6, that's 4.2% per day times 30. Sorry, 4.2 times 30, that's 126% per month.
without compounding.
Imagine, without compounding and without referral commissions. Can you imagine that? This is how powerful it is. That's why our grad uplines and our uplines are calling this a money making machine or money making platform because literally we are making money here. Okay, every 4 hours we are making money. Okay, in a business, let me just say this: in a business, in order for you to succeed, you have to understand the business. Okay, you cannot sell something if you don't understand it. So you have to understand the business. That's why even if though all of you are here in this Zoom, whenever you find yourself or you find a link or you see a link being posted in our groups, join it. Join it and continue to learn the business. And I assure you, when you understand this business, you will unlock the potential of this platform. And you will calculate. You can calculate how much you will earn. Speaking of calculation, let me show you what I did. So this is the first scenario. Okay, let's hide this first. This is the first scenario, okay? Right now, how much is the rate? Let's adopt the rate of the current rate of FNBTC. So that's 68.709. That's
Use 70,
68.9.
use 70 chat.
So let's assume that you're gonna put in $1,000 as your capital. So that will give you 14.55 FNBTCs. Okay. Now, assuming 0.7% every 4 hours, daily returns of 4.2%. How many days will you double your capital? You will double your capital on the 16th day. Let's say on the 20th or 17th day, you're going to double your capital. And that's without referrals. Okay. So tell me now, is it big or is it small? I think it's big. Okay. So let me show you an example of having referrals. Okay. So this is the second scenario. Let's say you have referrals on your levels 1 to 5, each providing you with 0.24% every 4 hours. So your level 1 has 10, 2, 40, 80, and 160. We're going to use the same price of FNBTC, 709. Okay, so you still have 14.55, 0.70% returns every 4 hours, and 4.2% returns every day. Now your referral will constitute to 1.44% per day. How did I compute that? You will add all the FNBTCs. So that's 10, 20, 40, 80, 160. So that's 310. Okay. So you divide it or you multiply it to 1.44 because 0.24 every 4 hours times 6 per day, that's 1.44%. Times 1.44%, that's 4.46 FNBTC. Okay, so let's add that to our FNBTC plus the referral. So on day zero, you started with 19.02. You already earned 5 FNBTC, almost 5 FNBTC. Now, when will you double your capital? On the 10th day or 11th day. So you see the power of referral. This is without compounding, ladies and gentlemen. Okay? When you say compounding, you do not get the profit or you do not swap or liquidate the profit. You add the profit to the previous capital that used to mine the first session, and then you add both. You add both the capital and the profit to enter the next mining session. So that is compounding. I believe you are all witnesses of the explosive wallets of Deepak and Sir Albert. Okay? So they employed compounding. I am also employing compounding. Okay, so we have to understand, guys, when we enter this platform, we are miners. We are not traders. You cannot rig the system. You cannot go around the system. You cannot go around the platform. Once you reach a certain point, let's say 100 FNBTCs, you cannot just liquidate all 100 FNBTCs. No, you cannot. That's another chapter. That's another learning. Okay. What what we are explaining right now is the very foundation of the business. Now, if you want to understand how to make money here, we can explain to you in a more detailed manner because you have to understand how trading works. And you will be looking at Dex Screener. Okay? You will be looking at this tracker. Okay, because here you will see all the transactions that are made. Okay, the current price of of the FNBTC against USDT, and you will see when will you sell and when will you buy. But then again, you cannot liquidate in bulk. Okay, we as platforms, as I've mentioned earlier, we are the community. We are this platform is community driven. Okay, so it's not like any other platform that we've joined previously. Okay. I cannot say the P word. I don't like to say the P word and the W word and the G word. I don't want to say that, but you know what I mean. From the previous platforms that we've been, there are a lot of platforms. This is a very, very different platform. This is the first platform I've ever experienced. Okay, and it needs a lot of learning. It needs a lot of understanding, a lot of patience. And when you hit your patience, I mean, you hit the mark. Okay, you will be rewarded. Okay, there will be a time that you will liquidate one, two, three, five FNBTCs every 4 hours. There will be a time that when you need money, you will just swap. You will just liquidate your FNBTC to USDT. As easy as that. You listen to your uplines, you listen to your grant uplines. Try to understand. Okay, try to understand. Don't just hear what they're saying. Listen to what they're saying. Okay. Now let me show you how we mine. I apologize, I wasn't able to share an actual mining experience because uh, as previously mentioned, we are gunning for the mining slots. So let me just show you a video. Okay, first is you claim your fuel refund. Oh, by the way, every 4 hours, no, your capital goes back to you. Okay? The refunded fuel constitutes your capital. That is your capital. Meaning in this video, this account mined or used 67.97 FNBTC to mine 0.5830 FNBTCs. Okay, so if we're going to compute that, let's see how much did this account or this wallet earned after 4 hours. So it's easy. You just divide 0.5830 to the capital that you used, 0.9738 times 100. So it varies. It's actually 0.85% or 0.86%. So it's not, doesn't necessarily mean that when you say zero point 0.7, it's always zero point 0.7. So it varies. So you have to understand how much did you profit from that mining session. Okay, it's painstaking, but it will pay off. It will give you an idea, and it will also calculate the risk that you can uh, put yourself into or put your money into. Okay, so let's continue the video. So in this session, the mining session just ended. So she's already claiming her capital and her profit. Okay, so you can see it's very fast. BitGet is very fast in accepting, authorizing any transaction. So here in this particular section, this is what we call the mining phase. Okay, she already claimed everything, the capital and the profit, and then she will proceed immediately to mining. Okay, so you deduct you deduct 0.01 from the available capital or the available FNBTC balance. So at this point, 68.557, you deduct 0.001. So that's 68.556. And select all the pools. So in this particular section, if in Bitcoin, there are 10 supercomputers or 10 mining pools or 10 blocks, whatever you want to call it, only one wins. Here, two pools wins. Why? Because you're given FNBTC and new BTC. Okay, one is for FNBTC and one is for new BTC. Okay, you always go for split fuel because you want to split the capital into 10 pools. If you use fixed fuel, 68.556 will be subjected to all the pools. Okay? And if you did not choose the winning pool, this will not return. Bye bye. Okay, it will not be refunded. So please be vigilant. First, you need to check that you're in the BNB Smart Chain. Second, you have to check if you chose split fuel. Please do not forget. I've heard some people losing their FNBTC because they chose fixed fuel.
Explain why some people are choosing fixed fuel, bro.
Okay, and then she immediately went to her account, another account, and then you can see she's already claiming, and then the profit, and then she will claim also her referral. You see the referral, 1.645. How many percent is that? So earlier, 4 5 divided by the capital, 68 point something, 556 times 100. Do you see? It's 0.24%. Okay. So your upline gets 0.24% whenever you mine. Okay. Don't go and ask your uplines, why does that my referral commission show up? Because probably your downline did not mine yet. So you have to wait for your downline to mine before you get the referral. And mind you guys, this is real time. When your downline mines, you will get the referral immediately. Okay? And you can already swap this, liquidate this. If you don't want it to include to your capital, or if you don't want to subject it to compounding, you can already claim this and liquidate it to USDT if you want to buy some Jollibee or McDonald's or Starbucks. Okay, you have a meeting with someone, you want to share this opportunity, you don't have money, you can use this money, swap it into USDT, and transfer it to your wallet, the centralized wallet, SafePal, Redot Pay, whatever, and then you pay the bill. Okay, so she's claiming it here, and then she's doing compounding. She's doing compounding. She will include all of it, the capital, the profit, and the referral to the next mining session. So that's the power compounding. And you will notice how fast you earn FNBTC. Okay? So, what else do we need to tackle here? Okay, here in the staking particular area in staking, this is where your new BTC is stored. Okay, so you can just go ahead and claim that whenever you want. When you claim that, it will automatically be added to the total stake, and your portfolio value will increase. There, it increased from 2.100, it increased to 2.110. And then you go under or below, you will see the date that you claimed, or you claimed the new Bitcoin or new BTC, and you will see here the date it will be unlocked. So if you will calculate that, that's more or less 100 months or 8 years. Okay? And we are all hoping that this will turn yellow. When this turn yellows, I don't know how much the rate of new Bitcoin will be when this turns yellow. And when this turns yellow, all of us will become millionaires. Okay, you can just imagine how much is that. I don't know. Maybe Deepak has more or less 100 million already. He has so much money he can buy a planet. Okay. Over here, you can check the tokens. I mean, the contract addresses of FNBTC and UBTC. You use this to import it to the decentralized wallet, because when you open a decentralized wallet, uh, new USD and FNBTC is not available. So you have to manually add the contract address of FNBTC and UBTC, hence here. I'm happy because when we started, the new USD has no logo. I don't know what this means, but when all of a sudden new USD already has a logo, and I'm waiting for the logo of FNBTC. I don't know how it will look, or maybe this is already the logo of FNBTC. Okay, so what else? Yeah, so those are the most important things that you will know. Uh, Other than that, there are any more questions, guys, from the members or from the participants in our Zoom?
Ex- Yeah, hi. Sir, can
Mr.
I?
12402. Yes.
Hello, guys. Please, let's do an organized Q&A. You raise your hand when you want to ask question, please, so we can address one by one.
Yeah. So that let's go ahead and let's open the floor to question and answer or questions. We have Deepak here. You have Sir Albert here. I can answer your question. Before we hear some inspiring and motivational word stories from two of our grand uplines, Sir Albert and Deepak. Yes, we have 12402. What is your question? Hmm. Any more
You have to
questions?
unmute. You have to unmute 12402. Nobody can hear you.
Oh,
Yeah,
this
am
is
I audible,
yeah,
sir?
yeah.
Yeah, sir, thank you very much for a very nice session. It was a very helpful session. My one small question is, can you please help me out how to calculate the gas fee what we are, paying for doing all the transactions starting from mining and then getting it back, the principal getting back and the bonuses getting back and again remining. So if I calculate on doing the mining of 10 FNBTC, then how much gas fee I'll have to incur, like pay?
Okay.
I'll take the question.
Okay, Sir
Okay.
Albert.
First, to answer your question, you need to consult directly to your upline. Okay, he should be able to answer that. But now I will answer. The gas, we really don't mind about the gas, brother. Okay, it's like running a taxi company. Hello, don't interrupt, please. Don't interrupt, please. Mute your mic. Mining here is like, running a taxi business that you need some gas, but at the end of the day, you don't mind about the gas because you will gonna be earning a lot and you will not even care about the gas that you will spend. It's very small. Your $5 BNB gas, you can use that for 2 weeks. Okay, so no matter of calculating it, it doesn't really affect how much you're gonna earn. So we do not really focus on calculating the gas fee. Okay, it doesn't matter if you are using 1,000 FNBTC as fuel or one FNBTC, the same fuel or the same BNB you're gonna use. Okay, I hope I was able to answer your question. But if you want a detailed answer, please consult your direct upline. I know he or she would be able to answer it. Right? Bro, Joseph, can you please answer the following question or the succeeding questions? Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Any more questions? This session is privileged because we have the grand uplines here. We have Deepak here. We have Sir Albert. So I suggest maximize this session. We also have some seasoned networkers here. We have Joseph Tran, we have Alan, myself, all other seasoned networkers here. You can ask questions, any type of questions, so that we get to understand more in detail what this platform is all about. How can it benefit us? We've already discussed the foundation. We've already discussed what it can do, how to do it correctly. Thomas, what you prepare to share?
Sorry, wrong.
Okay.
Don't worry about sharing. It's okay. Are you there?
Oh, sir, can you show us how to swap FNBTC to USDT? Okay, we can show that on a separate session. Go ahead. I'll get back to you, Mr. Thomas Grant. So let me just answer this. Kerwin, we can show how to swap FNBTC to USDT in different session. Uh, Let me see if I can do it here. Uh, oh, sorry. Unfortunately, we cannot. We cannot do it right now because our capital is subjected in the mining sessions. So maybe later on we can provide you with a video coverage of how FNBTC is swapped to USDT. But to give you an overview of how that happens, in some platforms or decentralized wallets, you can swap FNBTC straight to USDT like SafePal, BitGet. Okay, but depends on the liquidity if there is enough liquidity in that platform. But if you want to swap without concerning the liquidity, you can go ahead and visit PancakeSwap.finance. In PancakeSwap.finance, you have to first convert FNBTC to new USD. New USD is a stable coin of this platform. It is pegged to USDT. And then once it's converted to new USD, you can then convert new USD to USDT. Okay. So later on, or maybe after the mining session, maybe around 1 a.m., I'll try to video record a swapping demo for you, Kerwin.
Chad, I already have video of that. I can recirculate that video again. Okay, I already made a video of swapping FNBTC to new USD to USDT and vice versa. I've circulated that video anyway to all the group chats. So I'll let the upline do their job also. So we can move forward. Let's answer the general questions because it's taking too much time for us to answer those questions.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. You have your Zed. Go ahead, Zed. What's your question?
Good evening. I'd like to relay the question of my leaders to all of you guys. My leader is a bit worried on the sudden decrease of the value of FNBTC. How do we, as a leader, how do we encourage them that their money, they invested 5,000 US dollar, and then suddenly when they bought the FNBTC, it was lowered to 68. And now they are now complaining to us that how would it affect their investment from 230 US dollar they bought it, and now it's already 68. We know, guys, that you were there before, and as a leader, may we have your motivation to us to say a simple encouragement on how we can control or how we can explain well to our dear members that it's okay to lower the price, but these members have already invested 5,000, and now the value of their 5,000 is just around 1,250 because of the sudden decrease. Can you inspire us? Can you motivate us on that situation? Thank you.
Okay, let me take that answer. I can answer that question for you.
Go ahead.
So when you are into crypto or stocks, or real estate, or actually into investing in assets, the moment you invest in an asset, you put yourself in a situation where your asset can raise in value and your asset can lower in value. Okay, it doesn't matter which asset you purchase. You can purchase Bitcoin, you can purchase stock in Apple. You can purchase whatever asset, a condominium in Dubai, or a boat or a car. Okay. Now, when it comes to buying crypto, and there are always a chance that when you enter, the price is high, and then all of a sudden it goes down. So what Robert Kiyosaki says, he wrote the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. For those of you who doesn't know, please read that book. And it's really teaching people how to invest. Okay. So now let's say you buy the new BTC, the fuel new BTC, and you bought it very high price. For example, like this gentleman says that his leader purchased it, $5,000 worth when the price was really high, and then the price went really low. In the next week or the next coming 2 weeks. If you are a seasoned investor, what you do then is you buy another $5,000 when it's low. You go in hard and you go in fast, and you believe in that asset. You don't mind it going down, because a seasoned investor will continue buying and buying when it goes low, and it's going to and when it goes up, you still hold it, and you're still earning from the mining itself continuously. So, for example, if you just had one coin, let's say you purchased one coin, and that coin, the FNBTC, would cost, let's say, $1,000. Okay. And you keep on mining that coin for a certain amount of time. Let's say it's now about 1.5 to 2 months. Now you have gone from one coin to, let's say, 130 coins. I don't know exactly how many days it will take to get to 130 coins now with the value, but let's say it take you two months to do that. You will have, instead of one coin, you will have 132 coins. Now, let's say that the price went from $1,000 that you purchased that coin, it went down to $10. Okay. Now it went down to $100. You would still have $1,320 after 2 months. So you still be in profit. But if the price would still be at $1,000, you would have $130,000 after 2 months. But so I'm saying that the opportunity when the price goes down for the seasoned investor is to purchase more, in order to level and balance the expensive price that he or she bought from the start. And continuously, when the price goes down, and when the price is as low as $66 as it is now, it happened exactly this to me. I entered this business on the 24th of July, and the 24th of July, the price of the FNBTC was $200. Okay. I purchased for $1,000. I purchased 5 coins, and the 5 coins, the next few days went down in value a lot, because the price went down to whatever you see now, 60 whatever dollars. So what did I do? I entered the business with another $1,200, and I purchased more coins when the price went down. So I purchased more coins at the price of 66. So it turns out now, today, just 10 or 11 days later, together with the compounding, together with the referral, together with whatever this opportunity have in store for everybody, it's an opportunity that you can really do whatever you want to do here. You can do it small, you can do it medium, you can do it big, and you can do it mega big, and you can do it monster. Okay, I've decided to do this monster. I will build as much as I can in such a short period of time as I can, and I will compound as much as I can. So now I've almost reached 100 coins, almost, in these 10 10, 11 days that I've been doing this. So, am I happy? Am I still happy? Because of course I lost the money that I just joined, because I purchased the coin for $1,000. I just received 5 coins. But I continued to purchase more when the price went down. And now look at it. I have so many coins now and it goes really well. And because I just made a decision to trust and to believe in this opportunity, in these coins, these 2 tokens that we're working with. And, so that's, I maybe can inspire you a little bit, just so that your investor who put 5K, when it's now 66, he can put 5K, another 5K. When it goes down to 20, he put another 5K. When it goes down to 5, put another 5K or 1K or 2K. When it goes down to $1 again, put another $1,000. Okay, so meaning you will have the most coins of everyone. It doesn't matter what price it is, but you will have the most coins. So you will continuously mine and get the most coins from the mining as well. So take a stand when nobody else believes. You believe. When everybody else sells, you buy. When the price goes down, you buy. When everybody else gets afraid, you are just using your fearlessness and using your boldness and your using your bravery and your to set the standard for where you want to be 2 years, 3 years, 5 years from now. And we can use this opportunity to get to some place that you could never even fantasize and imagine that you could be, in 2 years or 1 year or 3 years from now, where you have completely changed everything in your life, in a lot of other people's lives as well. But you need to make a decision. You need to take a stand, and you need to be one of the strong believers. Because if you're a weak believer, it doesn't matter what opportunity you have in front of you. You will act weakly, and you will take weak decisions. And it doesn't really matter what kind of business you have. But here, if you decide to be a strong believer and you decide to make strong decisions, then you do like me. When things look bad, you go in more. When the price goes down, you purchase more. That's my inspiration to you for this question. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Brother Joseph. I really like that analogy. So before I will ask our grand upline, Deepak, to give more explanation about the continuous increase of number of participants in every mining blocks, I will gonna say my piece, okay? Because the guy earlier asked for inspiration and motivation. For me, in every opportunity that I join, I really do not need any motivation and inspiration at all. This is me, okay? Don't get me wrong. I really don't need inspiration. I really don't need motivation. I motivate myself. Motivation is coming from within. Motivation is coming from your financial situation. So if you are always waiting for somebody to motivate you, if you're always waiting for somebody to inspire you, you will never be happy. You will never be contented, because motivation should be coming from you, making a decision when you are doing your own due diligence, when you are doing your own strategy. So Chad mentioned earlier that we are now a community of multiple facets in this ecosystem. We have patience traders, we have loyal miners and holders, and we have the sharks and whales. Okay, it's now a complete ecosystem. So you need to strategize. You need to employ a good strategy for yourself. Okay, we cannot always give you the best tip. You need to figure it out. Okay, because we have different goals, we have different needs. All right. But there is really a reason why we keep increasing the number of participants, thus decreasing the rewards on every blocks. It's a very good explanation that you will love it and you will like it. So with that, I will call my beloved
Let me answer.
sponsor
Chad,
and my
Chad,
upline. Yes, before I'll call the Deepak Chad.
let me
Yes, you
add
can
lang.
also answer.
Yeah,
Okay.
just to also add, no, to the previous person who asked the question, we have to be reminded that we are not traders here. We are miners. Therefore, we accumulate coins. We accumulate FNBTC. That is our main purpose. Okay, so if your mind is set that this platform is my recovery, you're wrong. Okay, 50% of people who think that the platform is the recovery ends up failing. Don't treat this platform as recovery. Treat this platform as one of your cash flows. Because when an investor or a prospect approaches me, I always tell them, you cannot recover all your losses in one platform. You recover all your losses from several platforms. Okay, so treat this platform as another set of cash flow, not as a recovery plan. That's all.
Okay, Chad, let me say something again, all right? I need to say this so that people will understand. Okay, this is totally will answer the question, okay? I also started buying FNBTC when it was 250 and up. I was also buying when it was 270 and 280. And when everyone else are selling their coins when it hits back down to 100 and even up to 50 and even went to 22, a lot of people got scared and they sold their coins. Okay, but for me, I stood my ground because I believe in the program. So if I'm one of the scared members or miners, 2 weeks ago, I could have not hit the number of 2,000 coins now. So as of today, I have 2,000 coins. Okay. And that 2,000 coins is giving me 300 coins every day. If I faltered and I flinched 2 weeks ago and I also sold all my coins, what's going to happen? I should not be reaping my reward now, my daily reward. So just imagine this kind of scenario. If you flinch now because the price is very low, if you think that 67 to 70 is very low, you're gonna regret when we uh, sort back to 300 to 500 or even to 10,000 because our goal now is to increase, okay, the number of participants to millions, okay, millions of miners inside every block. And definitely that will increase the value over time. And our target price of FNBTC for the next 3 to 6 months is actually 5,000 to 10,000. Don't be surprised. Okay. We've been in this industry. Joseph and I and all the leaders are in this industry for a decade. Okay. We participated in a token-based ecosystem like this years ago. And that token started also with $1 and it became $100,000 in few months. Okay. And then they developed another token. And that token, I and Joseph also participated, and they have given also us a card, MasterCard. And the token also started with $1, and it went to $20,000 in weeks. And now it's still playing from 8 to 10,000 every coins as of today. So what's stopping for FNBTC to go as high as 5,000 to $10,000 each if the supply is only 21 million? Okay, so put that in mind. I started buying FNBTC when it was 250 to 300 in value. And I also got scared at the back of my head when it hit down to $22. And I was like, I would like to scream during that time because, oh no, I lost everything. I worked hard for a few days and know what happened to my portfolio. If I'm weak, they should be, I should have been brought to the hospital. If I have a high blood, oh my God. But no, I prayed hard, I worked hard, I stood in my ground, and I'm reaping the reward now. From 10 coins, from the 10 coins, This is the testimony, guys. From the 10 coins that I started, after 31 days, it is now giving me 300 plus coins every day from 10 coins. This is me. Just imagine how my grand upline or my direct sponsor volume in income every single day. And not only me, there's a lot of people like me who joined earlier, who stood into the ground without flinching no matter what is the value of the token. They accumulate, they keep accumulating no matter what is the price. Like Joseph said earlier, there's a lot of people in the other group who has even more accumulating a large number of FNBTC, including the people in Africa, people in Dubai, a lot of them. And they are now earning us 500 tokens every single day. But all of us started with just few number of tokens. And guys, how is the period of accumulating it? Did we mention about 2 months? Did we mention about 1 year? No, we are only talking about days. Okay, so I hope I was able to give you an insight how you can stay on your ground and just keep focusing on mining. Like Chad said earlier, we are not traders. We are miners. But at the same time, if you want to trade, you can also be one of them. Okay? So, guys, I hope you now have a better and clearer understanding what is your future, what is your direction, should you choose to stay with us. Okay? I will call I cannot thank this guy so much because I've been so stubborn at the beginning, but he kept bugging me, calling me just to be with him in this project. I will call my direct sponsor, my grand upline, our grand upline, okay? Mr. Deepak, based in Dubai, to give more insight about updates and direction of the project. He is in direct contact with Satoshi Nakamoto of FNBTC and New BTC. So he can give us more detailed information.
Hello?
Do we still have here?
Yeah,
Okay,
yes,
let's
sir.
welcome our grand upline. Thank you so much, bro, for plugging in. Really appreciate. I know you're busy as hell. So I really appreciate you plugging in here tonight. Thank you. Take the floor, please.
Okay, what to say now? Like, I think all the things you already covered, and I will add the few things here. Like, this platform started from the 2nd July, but I got the chance to work with the development team and this one from last 3.5 months. Okay, so there the trial and test was going on. Like, what to say? I don't have words to say. Like seeing this many people, like I trusted in a system. I and there is a development team and there is a marketing team I am heading, and just I just started believing that one, and now like so many people are there believing this one, and so many people's life already changed. Okay, if you come to see Dubai, like there are so many people whose life is already changed. And there's the first system, like where leaders are getting the chance to say whatever and sign up the people. Say whatever you want and sign up the people. And everyone is having the proof. They can show the proof, like whatever they are saying, whatever they are earning, whatever they are spending. They all can show it to the people. So many things are there. It's all open. It's all open for everyone. And Albert, over to you. I cannot explain now. Like this amazing. In fact, I can say like everyone in this uh, group is already millionaire because they already started. And Albert, you're there.
Yeah, Sir Albert's laptop
Joseph,
needs
Mr.
needs
Joseph,
to
how are you?
replay. But we have a question from Mr. Thomas Grant. Yeah, go ahead, Sir Thomas.
Oh, no question. Can you hear me?
Yeah. No more question?
Okay. No, I had no, just saying that to when I remember my sponsor Francis contacted me, and then I had a chat with Joseph a few days ago, and he showed me this system. I jumped in and spent 48 hours no sleep writing the code that I posted in the Facebook in the Telegram group to do this automatically, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
So that's the
and
dedication I put into this thing.
best
Oh, I
part,
see. Thank you, Thomas.
everyone is thinking it is their own coin thing and love the mining. No one wants to give away their coin.
Right.
And once anyone is trying the system for 1 or 2 times, and they are calculating I see in the people the first at they are saying like who will mine every 4 hours. Okay. And and I will see the messages like, okay, this happened means they are mining. All people are awake every 24 hours. The system is really bad, I think.
Okay.
Anything else? Okay, I will try to explain the system in the short, if you allow me. Okay.
Yeah, they have a question, Deepak, with regard to a lot of questions, and
Okay, I will explain once.
fear.
Maybe lots of the questions will get answered. Okay. In this system, like our wallet address is getting interacted with the smart contract. Okay. So this smart contract only knows once we pay the fuel FNBTC, the smart contract only knows to give us new BTC reward or our fuel return back and referral income back. Okay, there is no person is sitting there who will click like who will accept or deny the transaction. Okay, and after the once it our wallet address interacted with the smart contract, after that when the block is finishing after 4 hours, rewards are getting distributed. Okay, and whatever rewards are coming out like 1200 FNBTC plus 1200 new BTC, that rewards is coming out. Okay, so many people are asking how much how company can give us this much or like this one, but they from the smart contract only 1200 FNBTC plus 1200 new BTC reward is coming out, and it is not having the value is generated by the people, that people are involved and they are having the trust, having the belief, and they are participating in the mining. They are buying the fuel token on that amount. This value of FNBTC token is depending. So this smart contract will give next 40 years FNBTC plus new BTC. For the 40 years it can give without any stop, without any delay. Like it will continuously it will give. And price, it will go up and down depending on the market. So now in our coin already there are traders are there, buyers, sellers, we can say buyer, seller, long time holders are there, bulk buyer are also there. So many things are going on already in this coin, which is required for the growth of the coin. Anything else you want to ask?
Yeah, we
Yeah,
have
I
a
just want
question
to add
from
this.
Edsel. Oh,
Yeah,
go
yeah,
ahead, sir.
wait,
Go
Chad.
ahead.
I just want to include this narrative for people who keep asking why there is a delay, because when they don't receive the rewards after the clock reset, a lot of people are still sending me why I don't receive my rewards. It's already been past 20
Okay.
minutes, past 25 minutes. So this is the answer, guys. Okay. Before, when there are only 500 people in the block, of course, you can immediately receive your rewards in a given timetable. But this is the explanation. The smart contract only process 50 transactions, okay, within 0 to 5 seconds. Okay? Now, there are 4,000 participants in the block. And every participants, there are 3 transactions that needs to be processed for them. So that means there will be total of 12,000 transactions every single block completion. So remember, if you mine late, you will also be late in receiving your reward. So don't worry about it. It will come anyway. So if you were late, like if you mine when there are only 10 or 5 slots left, so at this point of time, since we are already 4,000, expect to receive your rewards maybe after 25 to 30 minutes. But don't worry about it. If you want to receive your rewards right away, at the beginning of the clock reset, you can immediately enter the mining pool. Okay? All right, Chad.
Thank you. Thank you, Sir Albert. Okay, so that's the beauty if you understand the business. So you have to understand the in and out so that you don't ask questions. You yourself can answer your own question. We have 2 questions here coming from, let's go with Idsel Bisinga. Go ahead, Idsel.
Good evening, sir. Just want to ask, sir, regarding the. I am also a miner, and sometimes I was working in the no signal area. So the time when I go up in the signal area, there's when I open my account, then I check. I cannot mine. I mean, I cannot mine the system because it seems like black comes to 0. So
Okay.
miners can
Okay.
do the mining, sir.
Okay. So right now, Idsel, we only have 4,000 slots. So when the slots are all occupied, you will wait for the next mining session. And please, when you claim your refunded fuel and your bonus fuel plus your referral, please make sure that your internet is stable. Okay? So I hope I answered your question, Idsel. Okay, so we have another question from Lani. Go ahead, Lani. Lani?
Yes po. Hello?
Yes.
Hello po. Yes, I'm sorry, I'm in the road. Yes, I have a question. Is it true that one person is holding 17.8 million FNB coins in one wallet?
Well, if that's what's shown in the deck screening, the BSC scan never lies. So I think I don't have the right information or the correct information evidence for that, but basing it on the deck screener, Gecko Terminal, and all those trackers, I believe yes, someone has 17.8 million.
So how
FNB
did he
tokens.
get this 17.8 million if we just started last July?
I think that is the developer, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have it. So I'm distributing it to you guys every block.
Nice one.
I think that's
Yeah,
the developer,
please.
ma'am. That's already the
Okay,
developer.
so-
The liquidity provider, or another term for the developer or the platform owner. That's the liquidity
Okay, it should be
provider.
the developer, because otherwise, if it's just the whale, they're gonna dump everything and we go to buy the whale.
I cannot
To,
do that, ma'am.
Chad, to formally answer the question, sorry. I'm just joking. Okay? Don't take it to heart. Okay? Don't believe that I and Deepak have the 17 million. It's not true. Okay?
Yeah, I understand.
So okay.
That's the only thing that I'm a little bit scared. If it's a company, of course, maybe they will not put down the company. Okay, I trust the company because this is their company.
cannot-
But if it's another,
They cannot
It's a
Yeah.
smart
bulk
contract.
sell.
Contract. And remember, it's always a narrative in all the GCs, and even when our ground uplines or the dev team representative explain that those remaining tokens that we are about to mine or we are about to receive are in luck, okay? And it's only distributed by means of disbursing it every block,
Okay.
every end of the block, okay?
Okay. Because
So,
that's yes.
all right,
So,
unless my co-pilot here, Deepak, can give more light about it, but I said already,
yeah, I would like
okay.
to hear from him, Master Deepak, please.
Okay. This one, I will make one video and pass the information. Okay. Just
All
wait.
right. Thank you, Master. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you,
It will
Deepak.
get distributed, and this answer will like everyone will have again and again. So better I will make video for all.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you. So we
Thank
have
you
another
for
question
so much for
from.
And
this.
don't worry, like see, even let's suppose me or Albert is like, let's suppose Albert is having 2,000 coins and Albert dumped the 2,000 coin at one shot. What will happen? Albert will get exit from this project, but new people coming, maybe Albert will earn like 100,000 or $200,000, but new person will come and will take his place.
Yeah. And if I
Correct.
dump, it's the end
Yeah.
of everything for me. If I'm gonna sell my
No,
2,000
Albert,
coins
not for
now,
all, not for all, not for all. It's only
Only
for the
for
one
ad.
person who dumps the coin.
Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah,
yeah.
thank you
and
so much.
bulk selling, ma'am, is not allowed. I mean, if you do bulk selling, you can try it yourself. You go to SafePal, you go to BitGet, try to sell 1,000 coins, assuming you have
Yeah.
$65,000 worth of FNBTC, and then you sell all your coins, you will only get a fraction of it. Only 3,000, only
Okay.
5,000 because of the swapping or the slippage. So it
Okay.
Yeah.
prevents
And
people from bulk selling.
I'll explain more, Chad. I'll explain more. Do you guys notice that when there is a dip and when there is an uptrend, it only stays within milliseconds,
Yeah, or
right?
1 minute
Did
at
you
least.
notice?
I'm
You know the
yes.
reason why. If you are a crypto enthusiast, you must know the reason why. Okay?
Someone is
This is
already
the
putting the order.
Yeah, there are already limit orders, and I did the same. I put limit buys and limit sells. I put limit buys at 30 and 40. So when the price dips down to 30, my limit buys automatically executed, and I'll get more tokens. And I also put some limit sales at 100. Like yesterday, I put a limit sell at 90, and I was happy. Because
Yeah, thank
it
you so
hits
much,
94.
Mr. I would like to know where did you put this limit sell and limit buy, because I'm looking for it. I cannot do it in BitGit and I cannot do it in SafePal.
Oh, you want to know where I put it?
Yes. Or
Then you
can we do
will.
limit order and okay? Is it exclusive?
Okay. It's actually exclusive because if I'll tell it you, I will tell you now, I will have like a competitor in the system. But anyway, I'll tell you anyway. I'll do it in
Thank you.
PancakeSwap.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. You're so nice.
Yeah, you can
And
set it in the PancakeSwap, okay? You can try to do limit sells and limit buys in PancakeSwap, but make sure that you have the FNBTC at hand. You do not use it in mining because even if you set a limit buy or limit sell, if all your fuels or if all your FNBTC are inside mining, it will not execute. Remember that, okay?
Hello?
Did you get it, Lani?
I lost you. I think my thank you so much for this. I cannot hear you guys because I'm in the road.
Okay,
Thank
all
you
right.
so much. Thank you, Albert, if you hear me. Thank you
Yeah,
so
thank you,
much.
Lani. Thank you. And guys, that's not only for Lani, that's for everybody. Okay, like what I've said, if you understand the business, you can employ a lot of strategy in increasing your token volume. You can be a trader, you can be a limit seller and buyer, you can be a consistent miner, okay? You can be a hoodler. So, like what I've said, know the business or know the game well enough so you can play it better than anyone else.
Okay,
Okay.
and one more thing I want to add. I'm seeing the first time in the system on the company official channel. They are saying that you can be a trader. Okay, so like this buying and selling, they are saying that you can do it officially. I never seen the system like this.
Exactly. At the
But
beginning, they are
on the
allowing
on the
everybody.
official Telegram channel, they are saying like do this and earn more money. So whoever
Yeah,
is smart, whoever can do it, they will do it.
exactly. Yes, bro. Thank you for that information. And guys, this is
Okay.
what you have already realized at this point of time. Remember, okay, take note. Where can you find a platform that at the point of inception or even at the beta phase, they are allowing you to mine and at the same time 100% trade, an open platform for you to dump or for you to buy about. It's not limiting you. This is an amazing platform because we all know in the past, when there is a program like this, we are not allowed to liquidate what volume of coin we have. But here, no one is limiting you anyway. No one is limiting you on how much token you're gonna buy. No one is limiting you how much token you're gonna sell. As long as you can bear the slippage, you can bear the transaction fees and everything. This is an open sea. Okay,
It's
there's
a
no limitation.
it's a
So what
true
can you
blue
say?
decentralized.
Exactly. This is, I can say now, in my almost 30 years of journey in this industry, this is a holy grail. So we must take advantage of it. All
Golden
right. So,
nugget.
so if you don't have any more question, I think it's time to conclude the Zoom because we are about to mine again. Unless there are still more question, one that we have left in the Zoom. Annabelle, you have any question? Please open your mic, madam.
Hi,
Miss
sir. You
Annabelle.
hear me?
Yes, yes, loud and clear.
Yeah, thank you. My question is about claim and mining because I've seen the numbers are all green. I'm a newbie, sir. So, is
Okay.
there any difference if you mine when all are green or claim when all are green, or it doesn't make any difference?
I'm a bit confused there. Bro, Joseph, take it.
I
Doesn't
thought
make
this
a
is about the
difference.
bear and bull.
It doesn't make a difference.
Okay, thank you.
It doesn't matter if you go in the beginning or if you go in the end, or when it's just the one spot left. You earn the same.
Thanks so much. Okay.
I just
Do we
want
have?
to I just want to say, I just want to add something. This has been an incredible call, even for me, and thank you so much, Deepak, and thank you, this Filipino leader, Sean. Is his name Sean, right?
Chad.
And Chad, sorry, Chad and Albert. I just want to say that, really, this opportunity is, if you understand it, it is the holy grail. It can change people's lives in a very, very short period of time. And right now, you are the first mover. You are the early adapter. And if you just take this opportunity seriously and professionally and build it and work with it and work with your people, work with your leaders, work with your team, and work with your community and teach them and train them in how this tokenomics work and how you're going to behave when you start earning, thousands and thousands of dollars every single day. You can really take this opportunity to the next level. Don't treat it like it's something, oh yeah, I will do it, see what happens, or no, you have to take a real decision and take a decision to be serious about this. And taking this, when you talk to somebody, really be serious. Don't say, oh, you want to try mine a little new Bitcoin? Yeah, you might make some money. No, that attitude will not suffice. Okay. When I talk to people, I just tell them they have to join right now. And they ask me why. Well, I'll tell you later. It's better you join and I will show you how to make money. And then, we can talk about later why you're going to join. because when you show somebody like this and you get them into the system, you get them to make money, you show them how to mine, you show them, and do that 5 minutes before the clock switches to the next block, and then they can go in and mine again and make again money. This is so powerful. This is so powerful. This will sway any skeptical minds, right? So guys, take this opportunity seriously, take it to the next level, and hodl those coins as much as you can, because there will be scarcity on the market. People are coming in. I know for a fact that there are big investors coming in that wants to purchase the coin for hundreds and thousands of dollars. So don't just be cheap and sell your coins off for nothing. Keep them and keep them for yourself as much as you can. Earn more and more. You will see that the scarcity on the market will be incredible just within 1 week or 2 weeks. Okay, so don't be stupid and sell your coins at 70. All right, just keep them and compound all of your coins as much as possible, so that you will see what's going to happen to the price. You will see what's going to happen when investors coming in, like serious investors are coming in. They won't be able to find coins anywhere, and the only one that they can buy coins from is going to be you, and you can set your price when that happens. And that price, I tell you, will not be $70. Okay. All
Thank you
right.
so
I
much,
just wanted
brother.
to say that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, guys, can I add something?
Sure, bro.
Okay, so this I will tell you why you don't want to share this project with anyone. Okay, because if you share this project with everyone, your more and more people will come, and your share will go down. What you are going to get from the company, right? Like I cannot say like this is a gold mine. If you share, your share in the company is going down. And I'm the top ID. I'm just saying, like, if you share, you're losing a gold. You're losing the gold. So buy as much coin possible now. We are at the start. If we miss this, like, see, every 4 hours, it's just limiting 4,000 or 4,500 people are there. Only they are mining. Only 4,000 people can mine now. Just imagine what will happen when 100,000, 200,000 people will come. Our system is going to upgrade, and only now 4,000 people are allowed. Okay, if 8,000 people are allowed, so you cannot mine the next block, because before claiming the next block, more people, they will, within a 5 to 10 minutes, they will enter in a system, and next block you cannot enter. This is really amazing. I cannot explain how this project is going. Right, Joseph?
Exactly. And this time that we have right now is, it's the beginning of the beginning. It's seriously, this time will never come back. Because when the word gets out to the masses, okay, remember I told you this, because you're going to tell yourself, damn it, why didn't I take more action when I had the chance? Why didn't I talk to those people that I should have talked to in the beginning? Because when the masses arrive, you wish that you would have more coins in your wallet. You will have more coins in mining. You will have bigger bigger network, bigger team, bigger organization, bigger community, because you took action the first 2 weeks of the business, or the first 4 weeks of the business. These weeks will never come back. So don't come to the Zoom alone. Invite people every Zoom, every chance you get, talk to people, talk to the waitress, talk to the waiter, talk to the taxi driver, talk to your neighbor, talk to everybody. Talk to the leaders, talk to the non-leaders, talk to the investors, talk to the grocery store manager, talk to everybody. Do your if you're a networker and you've been doing this for 20 years, go outside your comfort box, go outside your comfort zone and show people this. Everybody will join. Everybody will join. Build your team, have fun, and make shitload of money, right? Okay.
Okay. And we have only 10 to 15 days left. Only 10 to 15 days left when the system will allow 100,000 people to mine.
Oh
Which
no,
is
you spilled the beans
yes.
already.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So
Thank
I
you,
don't know
bro.
what to say. I
I
don't know what to say. This is beta phase is going to end up soon. Okay. So I'm not what to say. Like if you want more coin, don't share this project. Collect as much as possible, and after 10, I just uh, just see like what will happen after 10 to 15 days. Have get as many coins you can buy now, or after 10 to 15 days you will not get the chance. Okay. And don't believe my word, like do your own calculation and see everything is available with you. Okay.
Whew. I thought it's a secret. Now it's an open sea.
No, it's open. It's
No, we
open.
didn't hear it. We didn't hear it. We didn't hear it.
Yeah, don't share. Don't I see first time someone is saying like don't share the project. Don't share it. Like who will be at yeah, Albert? What is
Yeah. Thank you, bro. Okay. Let's not share it for now. For the next 15 days, let's keep it to ourselves.
because
Anyway,
Reverse
because
psychology.
yeah, we have one question here, so we can finalize everything. Yes, Devon Kun, you can open your mic.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, what is your question, Devon?
I just attended, so may I ask what is the primary use case of this token?
Deepak, you can answer. So, bro, next time you come early, okay? So that you will not be
nice.
asking
Thank you,
question
Albert.
like this. Okay.
Thank you,
So
Albert.
if you participate in the Zoom, I would encourage everybody to really join at the beginning or don't become late. Anyway, Deepak will answer that quickly.
Like you want I to explain one more hour how it goes?
Yeah, it will give us and it will take us a lot of
See, I see. Okay, okay. Now I can see like when the project started, like that time the main coin was new USD. Okay, it was a stable coin, and FNBTC was never in the picture when the new BTC project was designed. Okay, so new USD you can also check this thing. Everyone have the smart contract address. They can check like what is the history and all. Okay, but FNBTC was the never in the picture when they started to design this one, and new USD cannot able to produce like mass mass result or mass returns what we are seeing now. Okay, so if you see if you ask like what is the user case and this thing, it was not a plan, it was not plan also 1 month back. But now FNBTC is a main project, and like people think FNBTC is the main project. No, main project is new BTC, where FNBTC is allow us to get reward for next 40 years. With one FNBTC, you can enter in a system, and one FNBTC will allow us to get reward for next 40 years. And with that, like when you are getting the new BTC, it is a lock for 100 month. Okay. And while waiting for the 100 month, like system is allowing us to get more and more reward in the form of FNBTC. So like now the coin is getting more and more popular. This maybe it will happen like FNBTC will beat the value of Bitcoin also. Okay, so this is community, depend on the community how it goes. We will push the coin like and like we can bring so many things we can, if someone like many things are there, like maybe company decide to bring a Mastercard or put this coin on many exchanges, like there are unlimited possibilities are there. I think right, like I think I answered your question. I think if anything else is
Okay.
there, just let me know, right?
So is this already tradable using Pancake Swap?
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's why I told you, Devon. Anyway, that's why I told you,
And
That's
Devon.
why
maybe
I'm asking. Like, if you want, like, this will Zoom will go more 1 hour more.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, let's. Okay,
this
you can attend the next
another
Zoom, Devon.
question.
Okay,
Is
Devon, you can
the
attend the.
liquidity full lock already?
Yes, yes.
Did you
Okay,
lock
we can
the
conclude now the Zoom, Devon, because your question has been answered many, many times. So don't come to the Zoom late next time. Okay. So Chad, let's close this Zoom. It's been almost 2 hours. Let's have another set of Zoom. So those late comers will be able to attend. Okay. We cannot go on and keep answering the same question. Okay, Chad,
Right.
fire it up. Let's
Okay.
close this Zoom. Thank you.
Okay.
Bro,
Uh,
congrats
thank
naman.
you. Thank you so much for all the sharing, all the inspirational messages,
Yes.
motivational messages coming from, of course, our grand upline Deepak, from our grand uplines and mentors, Sir Albert, Joseph Tran, and all those leaders who are present here. Thank you so much. We appreciate you. We appreciate the time that you've shared. I know it's very late, but for those old miners or for those miners that are already in this platform, it is another about 45 minutes. A lot of smile will be painted in front of our faces because we will be mining again. Okay, in the next 45 minutes. So thank you everybody again. We will see you in our next Zoom session. Just a reminder, only put money you're willing to risk and to lose. Okay,
Okay,
that is the
and
golden
chat,
rule.
just send me your wallet address.
Yes, that's what I'm about to say. So I'll be giving
No, this is
Joseph and
only for
Chad.
chat.
No,
Maybe I
bro.
think some
No.
some problem is there. Some problem. It is only for chat. Okay,
Yeah, I'm telling you
I'm
those,
going.
bro. Deepak, don't worry. This is I'm about to say. Okay,
Yeah.
I told my speakers I'll be giving them free FNBTC, and I'm about to ask you to match it up, and you said it
No,
anyway.
I'm
Well,
just saying that send me wallet address. I will send to Albert. He will pay.
yeah,
Okay,
I
thank
will
you,
give
thank you.
Joseph and I will give Joseph and Chad. Okay, and you will match up. I'll give them 5 FNBTC each, and you add more whatever amount you want. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you,
Thank you
guys.
so much, Deepak.
Till next
Thank you,
Zoom
guys.
meeting. Okay.
See you in the next
Thank
Zoom.
you,
Bye
Apply.
Okay.
bye.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank
Take care.
you. Bye-bye. Bye.